In this video, I want to go over something that's been bothering me for quite some time, and that's the fact that people are building their own roof trusses for small buildings or small sheds when you really don't have to. And why should you spend the extra time building something that might fall apart anyway? So I'm here to tell you that the old tried and true ridge, rafter, and collar ties will be the way to go if you actually want to build something faster. And I do understand that some of you will be able to build something with roof trusses faster than you would a conventionally framed roof, because the idea of pre-assembling the roof trusses might seem to be easier than building a conventionally framed roof. I get that. And if that's the case, then that might be your only option. However, for someone like myself, this is a no-brainer, because if all of the components were cut for both types of roofs, I could probably assemble the conventionally framed roof in about the time it would take somebody just to build the roof trusses. And if I was using the correct lumber sizes, I wouldn't have to worry about the trusses being built incorrectly or with the wrong building hardware or connectors that could end up failing over time